Hi, my name is Ian with PA Industries, and today we're going to look into the possible causes and fixes of an excess velocity error. There are a few possible causes of an excess velocity error. In rare cases, an excessively high acceleration can cause issues. First, be sure that the acceleration and deceleration are set to the same value. If they are already at the same value, try reducing the acceleration and deceleration. Good values for an average operation are 400 inches per second squared or 10 meters per second squared for metric units. However, some units built for higher strokes per minute operations require a higher acceleration to keep up with the press. Most likely, this will not be the issue, but it is the easiest possible cause to check. Another possible cause could be a defective encoder cable. The encoder cable is the cable connecting the drive to the motor and is what provides the motor feedback. Firstly, we recommend powering down the control and disconnecting the encoder cable at both ends. Inspect the connection points. If any of the pins appear to be bent or broken, the cable will need to be replaced. If the pins appear to be undamaged, clean the connections using contact cleaner and reconnect. Lastly, be sure to check the material progression through the feeder and the die. Look to see if there is anywhere the material could be getting bound up or caught. Material binding, as well as any timing issues, could cause very brief moments of impedance on motion. And once the material breaks free, the motor lurches forward or backward, which is detected as an excess velocity error. If the cables do not appear damaged, and mechanically the system does not appear to be getting caught up in any way, it is possible that the encoder cable is internally damaged, or the encoder within the motor itself is damaged. Either way, at this point, be sure to call PA Service to further diagnose the issue. From there, we will be able to determine if part replacement is necessary. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any more questions, you can call us at the number on screen here. Thank you, and goodbye.